Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Number of students are very less.
Sir, today we will be continuing with question number 4 of solve the problem. Exercise 5.5.
Exercise 5.5 question 4 we have to do. Am I right?
So,
Okay, let us start. Just wait for 1 minute. Yes, beta. Garv, can you read question 4 of exercise 5.5?
Okay, sir. In company has involved one
A
lakh
company has
37,073
employees.
in all employees all over the India. It decided to give one
A bonus.
of bonus of bonus of 465 per employee.
Employee.
How much will be total bonus amount?
Very good. So there is a company. It has 1,37,073 employees. Employee का मतलब क्या होता है? Workers. Okay. I am a teacher in SR International School. I am working in SR International School. So I am an employee of SR International. Other teachers are also employees of SR International School. तो employee का मतलब क्या होता है? A worker of a company. ठीक है, किसी कंपनी का वर्कर है तो उसको बोलेंगे employee of the company. Suppose if someone is working for a company, someone is uh, it could be any post. Suppose there is someone there is an engineer working in a company. So we will say that the engineer is an employee of the company. Okay. So this is the meaning of employee. Bonus का meaning क्या होता है? Anyone? Do you know the meaning of bonus? Yes, Adrika. Yes,
sir,
Madhu.
I think owner means who used to check employee means it is a higher post
I'm
after
not.
employee.
I'm not saying owner, beta. Owner is the owner. का मतलब the जिसकी कंपनी है. Okay. I'm asking bonus. What is bonus?
Sir, in bonus we get much salary or we get much things.
Mehul,
Sir, it means giving more.
giving extra money
Yes,
to
sir.
the employees. Employees को सैलरी मिलती है. Do you all know? मुझे भी सैलरी मिलती है सर इंटरनेशनल से. और लोग भी जो अपनी कंपनी में काम करते होंगे, आपके पेरेंट्स भी शायद अगर कहीं जॉब करते हैं, दे ऑल्सो मस्ट बी गेटिंग सम सैलरी. अगर कहीं पर किसी के पेरेंट्स में भी इन सर्विस में है तो दे मस्ट बी गेटिंग अ सैलरी फॉर दैट. So if they get any extra money other than salary, सैलरी से अलग हटके कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मनी मिलता है, सपोज इफ द कंपनी हैज अ प्रॉफिट, बिग प्रॉफिट, तो कंपनी डिसाइड्स टू शेयर द प्रॉफिट विद द एम्प्लॉयज। कंपनी ने सोचा चलो मैं एम्प्लॉयज के साथ अपना प्रॉफिट शेयर कर लेती हूँ। या फिर मे बी suppose if a employee has worked very hard and he has done very well, the company is very happy with the work of the employee, the company decides to give some extra money to the employee, so this extra money is known as bonus. ठीक है? So this company has decided to give 465 extra money bonus, rupees 465 to all the employees. सारे employees को 465 rupees मिलेंगे. And how many employees are there? 1,37,073 employees are there. So you have to calculate the total bonus amount. Okay. Start writing these statements and start doing the question. You just have to multiply 1,37,073 by 465. You can get the total bonus amount. Okay, start doing, write these statements yourself. मैं बता दूं एक बार. Number of employees in the company 1,37,073. First statement, number of employees. Second statement, bonus given to each employee. Bonus given to each employee 465. Total bonus amount. Last statement, third statement, total bonus amount equal to. Can you do it, all of you? Are you all doing it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Have you all understood the question clearly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Start doing it. Send your answer in the chat box. Done the question, all of you?
So please repeat the statement again.
First statement, number of employees in the company. Second statement, just a minute.
So what is the second statement?
Second statement, bonus given to each employee. Bonus given to each employee. And last statement, total bonus amount. Yeah. We do the next question. Next करें बेटा. Have you all done?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I'm just adding.
And I have also sent you the answer.
Okay, I'm telling you the answer. You all check your answer of this one. The answer is, all of you. The answer is, check your answer. 6 crore 37 lakh 38,945.
Sir,
So are you
please repeat.
writing anything on the board?
Yes, I'm writing it on the board. I'm writing it just to. I'm writing the answer on the board. The answer is 6 crore 37 lakh 38,945 rupees. So this much amount the company gave as bonus. इतना अमाउंट कंपनी ने बोनस की तरह एम्प्लॉइज को दे दिया. Okay, next question number 5. Adrika, read the question.
Yes, sir. A club has 56,348 members and they all contribute 275 each for food refill fund. How much in all does the club collect? So we will multiply by 56,348 multiplied by
75.
275.
There is a club, they have collected a fund for flood relief. फंड का मतलब जानते हैं आप? डोनेशन अमाउंट, डोनेट करना मतलब. ओके, तो फ्लड कहीं पे फ्लड आया होगा, the club has decided to give some donation, so they are collecting fund from the members of the club. So each member has contributed 275 rupees. सारे member 275 rupees each दे रहे हैं for the donation. Now total members are 56,348. So you find the total total amount, total collection you have to find out. So you will multiply 56,348 by 275. You will get the total amount. Okay. Start writing these statements and find the answer. Do you want any help in writing the statements? Can you write these statements on your own? Okay, start doing. Start. Done, all of you? Have you all done?
Yes, sir. I have also sent you the answer.
Yes, Adrika, I have seen your answer. Rest of you, Mehul, Garv, Akshat, Hridyansh, Vivek. Send your answer quickly.
So I
Number of members in the club, 56,348. Okay. Contribution by each member. Contribution by each member. Rupees 400, sorry, 275. So total contribution, total collection total collection 56348 multiplied by 275. What is the answer? Yes.
Sir, the answer is
Sir, I think 1 crore 54,000, 1 crore 50 lakh 95,700.
Absolutely. 1 crore 54 lakh 95,700 is the answer.
okay, sir.
Question
And my
number.
answer is right. By mistake, I have clicked on Visu, sir. My camera.
Next question number 6. Mehul, read the question.
Okay, sir. A publisher printed 3,26,174 copies of a book. If each book is sold for 164, how much money did the publisher earn?
Explain the
Sir,
question.
we will do multiply by 1642 lakh 26,174.
Okay, very good. So there is a publisher. He has printed 3,26,174 copies of a book. एक बुक की इतनी सारी कॉपीज प्रिंट करी. One copy is of rupees 164. One copy of the book is of rupees 164. You have to tell how much money the publisher has earned. So you will multiply and get the answer. So number of books printed. Three lakh 26,174. Cost of each book या फिर price of each book rupees 164. Money earned by the publisher. Three lakh 26,174 multiplied by 164. Find the answer. Yes, tell the answer. All of you.
Sir, just a minute.
Sir, I have sent my answer in the chat box again.
Very good. I am writing the answer here. Check your answer. 5 crore 34 lakh 92,536.
22,536.
Correct. Check your answer, all of you.
So my answer is correct.
Very good.